All right, what's up guys? We're back with another video today. I'm gonna show you how to take a pop-up emblem off a car. This is the E320 Mercedes, but the concept is the same on every single vehicle. They're all spring-loaded, so they have a fixed side and then the other side's spring-loaded and you have to release tension off the spring, but it literally takes like 1 minute. Actually, not even, it takes like 10 seconds. But it's great if you just want to bring your car through a car wash or if you need to change the emblem. But anyways, I'm gonna show you how to do it real quick. So this is the car we're gonna do it on. This is the emblem. Give me 1 second to pop the hood. All right, so like I said, the emblem, it's a pop-up emblem. And this is the bottom of the pop-up emblem. Let it focus real quick. That's the bottom of the pop-up emblem. And what I use are needle nose pliers, and you literally just put them corner to corner, open it as wide as you can, and then turn it. Oh, you know what, I think I did it wrong. And when you turn it like this, it pops it out. That's the emblem, and then you literally just wiggle it out. And something else to note are these plastic guides. Those plastic guides are necessary. If those aren't in there, then your emblem will not seat right and it will not stay on. It won't be stable pretty much. And you do the exact same thing to put it back on. But be careful not to scratch your hood. So you hold this with the top hand. Yeah, flip the camera back around. So you hold the top of the, oh shit. So you hold the top of the emblem. Focus on that. You hold the top of the emblem above the hood and you literally just turn it back until it clicks. You'll actually feel it click. And this is just to show you that it's back on there good. Like I said, it's spring loaded on one side, and this side's fixed, this other side is spring loaded. And all you have to do is turn it to release tension off it. But I do this every time I'm gonna run my car through an automatic car wash. All right, that's pretty much it for this video. As always, like, comment, subscribe.